Here is the installation tutorial for 2 carriages and 4 stations of DTG printer. The first step is to remove the headlock. Remove the headlock on one side, and then remove the headlock on the other side. Remove the headlock of the y-axis, so that the print table can move when the power is off. The second step is to install the table. The table plate snaps need to be installed properly, otherwise it may be uneven. Use a level to adjust the equipment's level. Third, level calibration. All 4 tables must be less than or equal to 0.1. Adjust the anchor bolts to keep the equipment level. After installing the table, check if the table is parallel to the car's bottom plate. All 4 tables need to be checked. And the rear carriage also needs to be checked. Check it every time you install the table. Connect the waste ink tube to the waste ink bottle. The waste ink tubes for processing liquid and ink cannot use the same tank. 2 waste ink buckets are required. Fourth, install and assemble the computer. Connect the ground wire, and then it can be used after connecting the power.